This is your Bugeye. Pretty amazing.
Yes,
When
it
you
is.
last saw it, how did it look?
In pieces and rusty with a seized motor. But for had the car for 24 years. Sat in an old post and beam barn with a gravel floor, and waited and waited to have it restored. And I started watching videos on YouTube, of course, of the Bugeye guys' work, and I knew they would be the ones to get it right. So here it is, and it's very right.
What do you notice when you see it? I mean, it's been almost 2 years since you've seen it. He's just putting on the snorkel. Anybody, don't be distracted by Kenny in the background. We're just adding a last-minute air snorkel. But go ahead. What is it that you see most when you look at this?
The color, the interior. I don't know, pretty much everything. It's just a work of art. Yeah, kind of unbelievable that it is what it is now from what it was. That's for sure.
We've been looking at it for a long time come together, but are there things in particular that you really wanted to see that you're seeing now, or any other observations?
I think just the stance of the car and the interior and how it all came together. I mean, the powder coat, beautiful. It's really a different car from most.
Yeah, there is not another one.
Fantastic.
What's that?
Came out fantastic. I couldn't be happier.
Thank you. Yeah, you won't see another one anything like this. The closest one maybe is my own that's sitting over there. But I think this is much nicer because this is newer. We added a lot of things that we didn't have when we were building my own. But do you have any thoughts about having sort of taking this to a new level? There are people out there that are purists. You didn't decide to go that way. What was your thinking there?
I really wanted a driver. And actually, I didn't really intend to go this far with this car. It just kind of grew over the restoration, and just kept getting better and better. So I really wanted a car that would cut the curves and really be a joy to drive over a stock, car.
And how do you think you'll use it?
Mountain roads. We'll travel with the car, probably trailer it to some places, but ride a lot of motorcycle. I'd like to ride a lot of those roads that we really enjoyed on the motorcycle. So
Nice.
Virginia mountains down in Virginia and Adirondacks, and just buzzing around local.
Excellent. Well, thank you. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Now you'll have an air snorkel for your heater. That was the last thing we needed to do, but otherwise it's ready to head home. So thank you so much for the opportunity to make this sculpture on wheels.
Well, thank you for building it. It's beautiful.